block is Checkerboard, 12-inch finished, and here's what the diagram looks like. It's 3 patches. There are squares, large and small, and then a rectangle. Here's what the quilt would look like with 4 blocks together. And here are the patches. I'm going to tell you about the patches and then talk about putting 1 block together. And then on the second page, here's a quilt, a layout of 35 blocks, 5 across and 7 down. And it will have the fabric requirements that you need and show you how to strip piece. These instructions tell you how to strip piece 3 identical blocks. However many blocks you want, then just repeat those 3. 3 blocks, it makes most efficient use of your strip piecing. Patch A is a 3-inch finished square. We cut the squares 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches, and we need 4 patches for the corner. Patch B is a 2-inch by 3-inch finished rectangle. We'll cut 3.5 inches by 2.5 inches. We need 8 patches of the light and 4 patches of the dark. Patch C is a 2-inch finished square. We cut 2.5-inch squares. We need 5 of the dark fabric and 4 of the light fabric. There are AccuQuilt dies you can use to cut patch A and patch C. Now let's look at the fabrics I've chosen. This is the A patch for the corners, and these are the dark and the light fabrics for the checkerboards. These fabrics are from the Garden Gatherings collection by Primitive Gatherings from Moda. The first thing we're going to do is take the B patches and make these 4 side units. Then we're going to take the corners and sew them onto 2 of the side units. Then we'll make the 9-patch block, and then we'll put the block together. Step 1 here says to take the B patches, and we're going to piece them together like this for the side units. These are the 2 by 3-inch finished rectangles. We'll put a light, a dark, and a light, and we'll make 4 of these. We have our 4 side units complete. Now we can take 2 of these, and we're going to stitch one of the corner units to either side like this, and do that for 2 of these. These side units are finished, and we'll put these to the side with the others. Now we're going to take our squares and make a simple 9-patch block. We'll just sew the top row, the middle row, and the bottom row. Press them, then sew the rows together to make the 9-patch. Here's the 9-patch unit finished. Now we'll add these side units. We're going to add these 2 here and add these to the top and bottom after that's finished. Thanks for watching.